We all want to improve our lives, to achieve more joy, more wealth, and loving relationships. But do you find yourself struggling against circumstances, against toxic people around you? And it's not just external circumstances. We also fight against our own negative inner voices of anxiety and procrastination, our fears of failure, fears of criticism. Many of us give up all hopes because we believe that we cannot fight our karmas. Let me share with you a secret. Our ancient scriptures have laid down a proven process of dissolving our past karmas. So join my free workshop to learn the 3 powerful secrets of YOGIC-CHAKRA-REIKI inner healing to transform your negative inner voices of fears, of anxiety and procrastination into positive traits of productivity, of self-discipline and willpower. You can start experiencing inner fulfillment of success and achievement within 90 days through a very powerful and a proven ancient process. You will learn how to unlock your hidden talents and create a healthy, wealthy and a joyous life for yourself and for your family. So sign up for the free workshop whose link is given below.